So in settings, again, this is where you're going to see the company name, the industry you selected, and here is where you can go in and add your vision. So whatever your vision is for your company, add that in here. It just keeps you focused, it keeps you on track, and let's just say to be the best company in the world. Boom. And now you can add your values. So say if it's honesty, integrity, customer service, etc. Now you can add your focus areas. Now these are focus areas within your organization that you are going to want to set goals for. So by default, you're going to have company. Now you can go in and select focus areas or add focus areas. So let's say you want to do marketing. Let's say you want to add lead generation. Sales. You could add different focus areas as much as you want and click save. Now that you've added your focus areas, what this does is when you now go to groups, you're going to see these different focus areas. You're going to see company, marketing, sales, lead generation. And company is already going to have 2 members associated to it by default, the members of the application. And you can always add new members to a group as you add them into the users and permissions section. But you can also add your goals. Now, these are the company goals that you want to add. Again, you can add your attainment goals, general goal, and progress goal. So I can go in and select attainment goal. And let's say for the period of this month, we want to hit or let's just call it volume. We want to hit $1 million in volume. And we want to start tracking this on July 1st. Now this checkbox right here, these are crucial. So when you click on it, you're going to see that this goal is optional, automatic, mandatory, personal, or delete goal. Optional is basically saying to everyone in your organization that this is an optional goal. You don't have to track it. You can turn it on and turn it off if you want to. Automatic means that this goal is going to automatically show up in your team's progress bar, which I'll show you here in a little bit, but they have the option of turning it off. Mandatory means that it's automatically going to be a metric that you want tracked by your team. They cannot turn it off or delete it. Personal is more of a goal that you are encouraging someone to track on a personal level, but don't really require the metrics or data from it. So again, you can say, hey, I want everyone on my team to at least have 1 vacation day per month. And it's not something you care to track. It's not something you really want to track, but you want to encourage your team to do that. That's what that personal template is for. And then you can delete this goal. And then you can create and add different targeted goals. Again, the attainment goal, general goal, or progress goal. So say if you want to increase over the next quarter, you want to increase production by $2 million. Now you can say, I want to increase production by $2 million and we want to start tracking this today. And then you can add in a general goal and say that hire Facebook ads manager. And you can go in and start adding different users that are going to get this goal into their progress tab. And you can start adding different reporting mechanisms to this as well. So for this particular group, you can say that we're going to call this group A. And let's say for group A, we just want to report the goals from Zippy Demo. And then for a new team, say we want to have group B report and we just want Jesse in that report. So you can go ahead and select those different types of reports and then hit save. Then you can go through and start duplicating the exact same process for marketing, for sales, for lead generation. You may have different users in different aspects of your business in these different departments that have different goals, different targeted goals, different metrics, and you can go through and easily add each goal, user, and set up different reporting structures for each one of those focus areas and departments. So I'll give you a few different examples of goals that you could set. And after all goals are set within each focus area and group, each team member can navigate to their profile and select goals. And here is where every goal that the company has set could be activated, deactivated, if they are optional or automatic. If they're mandatory, they will be unselectable. And everybody can add personal goals down here in the bottom right where it says add new goal.